Hello everyone, I hope you will be fine in these tough times. My name is Vinayak Iyer and I am a student from LDRP Institute of Technology and Research and currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in the field of mechanical engineering. Before 3 months, I got an interesting course, namely 91 Fate Management Program, that is First Aid, Trauma and Emergency Management from 91 Safe India. This course led to learn me new technical terms. Indian statistics related to medical and operational services was revealed. Different symptoms of different emergency problems like choking, fractures, snake bites, etc. was also revealed. How to catch that symptoms from that patient. Also, the things which are to be done during those emergency cases was also taught. Also, the things which are not to be done was also taught, because as they say that the things which are to be done are known by many, but the things which are not to be done are known by few. So that is also very important. Also, I got to learn about different technologies used in the medical services and also the different techniques on how to solve those problems. uh, After that, I also got to learn many different problems related to emergency services. Also, I have also read about the NDRF program, that is Natural Disaster Responsive Force, and how they treat different types of patients in the emergency situations due to natural disasters. So that caught my interest in this program and I was able to do this program successfully. After completing this program and giving the exam, I got a certificate and a rescuer ID card, by which I came to be known as a certified rescuer. I recommend this course to each one of you, because we cannot know when emergency case will happen. Hence, I recommend everyone to go through this course from the 91 Safe India, and also its app is also coming. So be ready with it. And also, at last, I would like to say, get certified, save a life and become a hero. Thank you.